If you're trying to make calls on your iPhone, you're calling a friend or family member, but it never rings, it never goes through, and you're not necessarily sure how to fix it, there are some steps that we can take to definitely get that fixed. The first thing that we're going to do is swipe down from the top right. Let's try to see if airplane mode helps. So toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, but most importantly, your cellular network. Now, let's just toggle this off to reconnect everything. You can see searching, and it reconnects to my AT&T tower. So just try to do that and make the call, see if it works. If it doesn't work, let's next head into the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings app of your iPhone, we need to tap on Cellular right under Bluetooth. Just tap on that. And from here, you can see turn this line on. Let's try toggling this off if you have an eSIM, or if you have a physical SIM card, physically remove the SIM card and then brush it off and then put it back in. Now on the eSIM, I'm just going to tap on it and turn this back on. Again, this reinitiates the connection between your phone and your cell tower. Maybe there was an issue in the past, and just by reissuing it, then basically it should fix the problem. Now, if you go through those steps and it doesn't work, next, let's go back to the beginning of your settings and tap on Bluetooth. The reason for this is because potentially your phone is connected through Bluetooth to an external speaker or headphones or something, so it's ringing through that, but not your physical iPhone. So toggle Bluetooth on your phone completely off, so you make sure all of the phone calls on your phone are being routed through your iPhone. After you've done that, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, next we're going to tap on the General option towards the bottom. From here, all I need to do is scroll down to the bottom and hit the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times turning your phone off and turning it back on fixes a ton of bugs and glitches on your phone. So try just turning it off and then turning it back on. If you go through all of these steps and it still doesn't work, you can do two different things. The first one is to tap on the transfer or reset iPhone here. And then we'll tap on reset and reset all your network settings. So go through the process of resetting these network settings, including all of your cell carrier settings back to factory default, and then it will just reinitiate all of those to be able to make those calls and have them actually ring. Now, if you go through all these steps and it still doesn't work, there could be a potential with your carrier themselves. So you can always open up a web browser here, and on here you can just type in is AT&T down, or essentially whatever carrier you have, and go to down detector here, and you're looking for a huge spike in reported outages. If the carrier themselves are down and there's a huge spike, then unfortunately you just need to wait a little bit for their cell towers to be back up and running for you to make those outgoing calls from your iPhone.